What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request. Tyler the Creator Igor album cover, requested by Leslie. So it's like a cutout. So it's kind of like square across the top of his head. Yeah, he does the most unique album covers. It's like a grainy photo. It's cool. Anyway, landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause. If I go too fast, let us try this. Very, very blurry picture. So, well, it's not blurry, but it's like, yeah, I guess blurry. Okay, so portrait of this guy. So we go diagonal. Right, and then sort of down. He's got like very droopy sort of eyelashes. Right, his bottom eyelid. It's like a tear duct, and then around. It's very dark in here. And then just a black iris here with like a shine, a white circle or two. Okay. So another way of doing that is kind of white paint. So you could do a little dab of white paint just there. He seems to have another eyelash or eyelid line there. And then another eyelid line coming around the top of his eye here. Right, so like his eye socket, I think, is like just that. Not clear if these are all eyelashes, but okay. It was like his nose is the bridge of his nose is fairly wide, so it's like going in there. And then his eyebrow. Does he have eyebrows in this? Well, let's go for eyebrow, maybe here. Might not be eyebrows, but it's so dark. But I've seen pictures of him, like normal pictures, and he does have eyebrows, so his eyebrows exist. Okay. Let's try and do this over here then. You're about eye width between his tear ducts. So like this proportion to the other eye is the same. So like if you measure this, it fits in between his two tear ducts. You can fit an eye between his two eyes, roughly. And then this goes down for the eyelashes again, right? Very thick line. He's got kind of a sleepy sort of look in this. Okay, so this is like tear ducts, and then there is You can see eyelashes on this side of his face, but not the other side for some reason. They're very black. Okay, so eyelid line. Eyelashes on the bottom, and then he has like bags underneath his eyes, kind of. So his eye, he nearly has a unibrow. They're fairly close, like the eyebrows. They're like nearly uni. It's just very dark sort of brow area. Okay, now his nose is just very dark. Okay, that's the best way. Maybe like nostril area first. Real big, Chris. Shadow it up. And then very wide nostril. Like really wide. So it's not really clear. This part of his nose isn't visible, so I'll just do like some hatching. Like that, because it's always tricky to... He's just got a very wide nose, like up there. Right. So I think that's all I can kind of see for his nose anyway. So then lips. So it looks like he's got like dentures, like diamond sort of teeth. So let's go. Very big lips as well. And it's like sticking it like far out, like he's pushing them out. Right, that sort of shape, a stretched out kind of M shape. Right, and then top lip there, down, like crazy big. It's great. It looks like a mustache. That's his top lip. It is that big. Right, and then, but it's obviously like the lens, you know, the camera lens. Mouth is open, right? So where the bottom and top lip touch, it's like this. And then there's like shiny sorts of teeth in here. It's just black in between. Okay, so say like his cheekbone would be there, coming from the nose, like the skin of his cheek, and then his big bottom lip. And sometimes there's like these curved lines on his mouth, and then a chin sort of area. So these teeth are all sort of sparkly and stuff, you know, like platinum grills or something. Is that what they're called? Oh, my elbow. Okay, chin. Very big as well. It's like he's like the, you know, the lens of the camera makes this bottom half of his face look huge. And it's kind of cut out as well, so it's not like perfectly shaped. Looks like cheekbones or something here. And then, so we see his hair, so it's like it is shaved, right? But there's a little V for his sort of the white sideburn. And then the ear comes out. Right, and then ear lines inside. And there's like a diamond earring here. And then a diamond earring on this side. Okay. Right, and then we have this sort of square topped hair. So we'll just do like the hairline first. It's just kind of flat, just goes. Right, and then this is kind of cut out, so I know it's hair, but it's got this sort of angle to it, and it's all pink in the background. It's funny the way that he like chose to cut off the hair, so it goes this way. And then I'm not sure. I think it's a jacket. So, sure, Leslie, you know better than me about what he's wearing, but it looks like a jacket. And the collar goes this way. And then this is like cut off sharply here. You could keep it going for the shoulders if you wanted, but if you asked me for the cover, so I'll do the cover. Boom. All right. So that's basically him, I think. Tyler. The creator. Igor. Hope it's helpful. Sorry for the delay. See you next one. Bye.